Hey ladies, happy day 41 of 365 Days of Style. Today I want to share with you what I actually wear when I'm going to be going in and out of stores, or maybe for that day of shopping into the mall and that kind of thing. So what I really opt for when I am going on a shopping day is to do a lighter weight leather jacket over the top of my outfit, and I just run into the store. And then I know that I'm not going to get overheated with a large winter jacket when I'm walking around and taking my time in a true shopping style day. So this particular jacket is a lighter weight style. It does have a fur lining, like kind of up top for a detail, but the jacket in and of itself is really sleek and nice. I have that on, and then I have on a scarf, and I really wear this as I'm running into the stores, but then I undo it a bit and almost have it just as an accessory hanging around as I am, walking around the mall and shopping. I am wearing my overalls today. I'll be honest with you, Wade and I went for a yummy lunch at Olive Garden, and I tell you what, these puppies really have space and room. So it was really nice to be able to have like a nice big lunch and not feel constricted in any way, shape, or form. So I'm really digging that. I topped off my outfit with a simple mother of pearl necklace, choker style, that I really adore, and my sorrel wedges that are really functional in winter, but they still have a really cute style to them as well. So there we go. That's how I, bring together an outfit when I'm going to be going into the store and I don't want to get overheated, that kind of a thing, but I still want to really look put together and chic. All right, there's day 41 of 365 Days of Style. I look forward to sharing with you what I'm wearing tomorrow.